Hey guys, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair, and want to visit with you about a project we have in the shop right now. It's a little Ford Fusion. So this came in with StabiliTrak light, ABS light, check engine light, and this one actually has the electric power steering instead of the conventional power steering that uses the power steering fluid, works like a hydraulic system. This one uses electronics on a steering rack to steer the car. So when that doesn't work, these are very hard to turn, very hard to drive, and so what can cause all that? So, and why is there 3 lights on the dash? What causes all that? So one of the things that maybe some people don't know, and this will have to do with brakes too, and one of the questions that we get asked from time to time is why is a brake job so expensive in a professional shop? Well, I'm so glad you asked. There's a multitude of reasons of why the shops charge what they do for brakes. Whenever a brake job service is performed on some vehicles, this one I believe could be one of them, to actually retract the caliper to install the new brakes, you have to hook up the computer to the car and use the computer to retract the brake calipers. Some of them will let us mechanically force them back. That has to be done a certain way, or you run a risk of damaging an ABS module. An ABS module generally runs about $1,000 if those get damaged. So there's a lot of risk in actually doing a brake job, and in the past, it was always viewed that anybody can do a brake job, and in the past, and years ago, brakes was pretty simple. Had a lot, it was very simple and very basic. Now we have ABS modules, and in relation, this one also has a steering angle sensor. The steering angle sensor is gonna tell where the steering wheel's at, where the tires are at, how fast the car is turning. It's going to detect the turns. It's going to detect if one wheel is spinning faster than the other through the StabiliTrak. And so all that works in unison with the ABS module, steering angle sensor, steering rack, all that works together. And so on a vehicle like this, whenever you turn the steering wheel, it's not just the steering wheel turning that makes the vehicle turn. It's actually going to activate a caliper to stop that side of the vehicle, and it could activate that caliper as many as 100 times a minute, sometimes more, sometimes less. Then in turn, what happens is that creates a lot of extra work on your brake calipers and on your brake fluid system. So why is it that brake fluid is supposed to be changed every 15,000 miles? We'll just picture it. On this car, in years past, how we steered was simply with the steering wheel, right? Now, cars are literally using one caliper braking at a time to assist with the steering, which creates more heat, more buildup, more work on those calipers because they're braking all the time as you're turning the steering wheel on certain vehicles. So that's why now more than ever, we see more and more calipers coming in that the calipers are no good. We have to replace the calipers. I'll check the vehicle history and I'll never find any record at all of a brake fluid service ever being done. So brake fluid service runs a couple $100. It's supposed to be done on most vehicles. It's every 2 years, every 30,000 miles. There are some vehicles like Nissans that want the brake service done way more often, like every 12,000 miles. And it has to do with how much those brake calipers are working in conjunction with the steering. So there's a lot to how this car actually steers using the electrical power steering and using the brakes and using the StabiliTrak and using all those different functions. Lots of communication between the computers to simply make this thing talk. So when an alignment is done or a brake job is done, it's not just as simple as, so let's talk about brakes. Say we just put brake pads on it because the rotors are still good and the car's not ready to go back into service. The steering angle sensor needs to be calibrated and relearned to the vehicle after that so that you have so that it knows exactly where dead center of the steering wheel is at, so that it can know exactly when to activate that brake caliper in conjunction to whichever side. So that's why a brake job at a shop can be anywhere from $180 to $700. It depends on the brakes, depends on the pads, rotors, fluid, calibrations, all kinds of different things. So lots of stuff you probably didn't know prior to this video. That's why it's important to choose a professional, even with a simple thing like a brake pad replacement. I'll catch you in the next video.